guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Bienvenidos. So this is the last little video of my vacation prep series. I did like a little mini, like 3 video series. I think it was like 2 or 3 or 3 or 4 videos where I shared with you kind of things I'm planning on taking to the trip. I also filmed a pack with me video. If you missed that video, I will go ahead and put a little tab right here so you can click it and watch it, and I'll also link it in the description box in case you want to watch it after this video. But yeah, I did a pack with me and I've pretty much been bringing you with me on how I prepare. In this video, I share literally everything I do from head to toe. I'm talking about where I get my nails done, how I got them done, my lash extensions, a little bit of packing, last minute shopping, just all of the things that I've been doing kind of within the last like month. I want to say like 2 weeks to a month, and then leading up to now, which we are leaving this weekend to Cabo, and I'm so excited. If you aren't already following me on my Instagram, that is where I'm going to be posting all of my outfit pictures. I'm also always on my stories. I'm thinking of doing a lot of cute like vacation things, so follow me on there if you aren't already. But I hope you are all excited for this video, and let's go ahead and get started. Working out. And this is one of the things that I was like, okay, we gotta get it together in this department. So like 2 months ago, I started to really kick things into gear and started going to the gym like 3 or 4 times a week. I would pick days where I just felt like going to the gym. I wouldn't have like a set schedule and I wouldn't force myself to do it. So whenever I woke up and felt like going, I would go. So I would do it like 3 to 4 times. I'm mainly doing it to feel good and to kind of tone a little bit. So far so good in that department. Working out is something that I recommend to anybody just to stay active and feel good on an everyday basis. Laser hair removal is also something that I've been on it. So I'm already on, I think like my 5th session, and I like to do my underarms, my stomach, and my bikini area. And with that, the only thing is I didn't get any clips for that because I did my laser hair removal, I want to say 3 weeks ago, and it's recommended that you don't lay out in the sun or tan 2 weeks before and 2 weeks after a session. So if I would have gotten my session like a week before going on vacation, I wouldn't really be able to lay out in the sun. And the reason behind that is because you can get like pigmentation and dark spots on those areas from sun exposure. So it's just overall, it's not recommended to be laying out in the sun. We are a few days before this trip, and I'm not wearing any makeup right now, and I'm not planning on wearing makeup within these next few days leading up to the trip, just so my skin can be nice and clear and glowy and refreshed and ready to go. A lot of people get facials before a trip or facials before a special event. I'm not gonna do that, so this is kind of good for me to do and just kind of like give my skin a little bit of a break, you know? So that's also like a little tip that I would suggest. this is how my hair looks in natural lighting and when it's nice and styled. So Ashley did a toning session. We also did like a little bit of refreshing, and she also did some deep conditioning. So now my hair is nice and toned and ready to go for the trip. So I already did most of my shopping, not gonna lie. I already bought most of my outfits and my shoes, accessories, things like that, bathing suits. But right now I'm gonna head to TJ Maxx actually to look for a suitcase. I need a bigger suitcase. I always suggest when going on a trip to make a list of things you do not want to forget and things that you need to buy. That way when you are, you know, leading up to the trip and doing that shopping, you can go to that list and see exactly what it is that you need and things you don't want to forget. That's what I'm doing right now. I actually already have my list. I made my list last night and I wrote down everything that I need to pack, things that I definitely don't want to forget, and I also wrote down some things that I need to go and buy, including my suitcase. A few other things I got besides the suitcase for just last minute things I needed. These in general, I just needed more of them. These are my makeup wipes. I get the huge pack, so I get the double pack of them, and these you can find them at Walmart. They're the Equate Beauty Exfoliating Wet Cleansing Towelettes, and so I got 2 different packs and they're $6.97 for like a double pack like this. I know there's some good ones at Costco. I've never tried those, but I do eventually want to try them. For now I'm just gonna stick to what I know and use these, and I'm gonna take one of these packs with me. I went to Marshall's and I got these 2 right here, and at first I was kind of iffy about getting them just because I wanted to make sure that I had links for you guys if you wanted to shop them, and I actually found some links. So I did link these in my pack with me video. If you guys want to check that video out, they're all linked right there. But these were, I just saw them and I was like, I needed them. They're so cute, and I like that they're see-through because I can see exactly what's in there. See, this is my current situation. This is my current travel bag, which I actually really love just because of the color. But this is a new one I got. They're about the same size, so it should fit everything. And then this other extra stuff, I can just put it in one of the other little pouches that they gave me, or that came in there I should say. So yeah, I'm gonna use this one for bathroom stuff. And this is my makeup bag, by the way. All of these things will be linked or are already linked in my pack with me video. I'll link it right up here and I'll have it in the description box so you guys can watch that one too. But I love that everything is black. Anywho, so bathroom stuff, electronic stuff, charger, stuff like that. At TJ Maxx, I bought these little sandals because they were $3. These rose gold sandals. They say they're from Charlotte Russe, and I just like them because they're rose gold. I feel like rose gold goes with pretty much everything. I went to Nordstrom Rack, which I hardly go to because there's not really one like super close by me. But I decided to go over there and I found this really cute top from the brand Social Light, and I'm definitely taking this with me. I've been looking for a top like this that had the right fit. So it's just a linen feeling. I think it's linen, I'm pretty sure, but it's very versatile. I feel like this top I will be able to wear with a lot of things. You can see that I tied it in the front, but you could actually just button it. And I got this one in an XL just because I wanted to fit oversized. I bought one similar to this at Marshall's not too long ago, and I got it in a size medium. And after washing it and drying, which obviously if you don't want it to shrink, you probably shouldn't dry it, but if you're like me, you throw everything in the dryer. So I threw it in the dryer and it kind of like a little bit got smaller. So it fits me like a regular button-up shirt, and that's not the look I was going for. So I was like, let me get it in an XL. The sleeves also fit a little bit longer and loose, which I love. I'm going for that more relaxed, loungy kind of fit with this shirt right here. And it was $16.18 at Nordstrom Rack. So I'm outside of the salon that I go to. It's that one right there, Studio Nail Salon. It's in Pico. So right now my nails are kind of like an ombre. Hopefully it's like focused. And I'm just gonna get the same thing, but I'm gonna cut them and just get a nice fresh like set. These are my natural nails, by the way. I always get that question. And yeah. My lashes are done. I have a big old pimple right here, but my lashes are done. So I got my hair done a few days ago, like you guys saw. So I don't need to tone like too much, but I'm gonna tone it anyway. I like to do it every time I wash my hair. And then I blow dry, straighten, blow dry and straighten my hair as well. Plus I'm gonna do my entire pamper routine. You can see right now I look like I need some life, I need some help. I just got done doing a bunch of like my packing stuff. So right now I'm going to add my toner, and then I'll kind of like chat with you guys with what else I'm gonna do. I'm using my Joico Color Balance purple shampoo. It's this one. And I'm doing it before I get in the shower, which I've never tried this before, but I heard that it tones your hair a lot more. I don't want to leave it on for too long because I don't know how toned it's gonna get, and I want to make sure it still matches with my extensions, obviously. While this is in my hair, I'm going to hop in the shower and do my full pamper routine. So that is exfoliating my body and shaving. You can also take this time to do self-tanning if you want. Right now I'm tan already, so I'm not going to do my self-tanner, but this would be a good time to do it like right after you exfoliate and shave in the shower. And I'm going to deep condition my hair, do all of that stuff, take that thorough, very relaxing shower. That way when I leave on my trip, I feel like I'm like nice and refreshed and ready to go. And when we land, because we're landing in the morning, when we land, if we want to go to like the pool and stuff, I don't have to be like, oh my god, I didn't shave. So I will be basically all ready to go. There's nothing like a good old shower. So right now I'm spraying my hair with my Unite 7 Seconds detangler. This is a detangler and a leave-in conditioner in one. And I always use this before I blow dry and straighten out my hair. And while this is kind of sitting in there and working its magic, I'm going to shave my face. I always do this too, so I can have like a clean slate to kind of work with. I do normally wax or thread my eyebrows and my upper lip, but lately I haven't had a lot of time to go. So what I do is just use this little thing. I just got this on Amazon, and it removes all of the peach fuzz. My hair doesn't grow back thicker. It gives me a smooth canvas to work with when I do my makeup. And I'll even use this to shape my eyebrows if I don't have time to go wax. those different things. I am now fully ready for this vacation. I'm so excited for this weekend. So my bags are packed. I already did my last minute shopping and all of that stuff. So I'm pretty much ready to go. I hope you guys enjoyed this style video, just bring you guys along with me to the different things that I do to kind of prepare for vacation. I also do these things when I'm preparing for like an event, like a wedding or a special occasion, birthday, so on and so forth. So like I said, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Again, follow me on my Instagram if you don't want to miss out on like real-time posts and you don't want to wait. I don't know if I'm vlogging yet, but if you don't want to wait for like a vlog to come out, or just in case I don't vlog, I'll be posting a lot on there. So thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all, los quiero mucho, and thank you for following along with me on this like Cabo prep, vacation prep, and I will see you all in my next video.